What's up, guys? I'm Nick with Krietz Customs. Every custom truck build we do starts with one thing, and it's not your lift wheels and tires. Matter of fact, it's 4 top questions you're gonna need to know when building your truck. Let's check it out. All right, question number 1 you have to ask when building your truck is how are you actually planning on using it? This is a question we ask all the time for our customers. Reality is, not everyone needs to drive a truck like this sweet ZR2 we have for sale right now, but everyone does have a desired purpose. If you're looking to tow, if you're looking to use it for work, or if this is just a grocery getter you just want to look pretty in, that's going to determine how you build your truck. So question 1 is, what are you planning on doing with it? If you're going off-roading, you need to understand that prior to building, because this may affect which trim level you go with, what type of wheel and tire setup you go with, and if we're going with some sweet Carly suspension that's meant for off-roading. So figure out how you want to build your truck before we actually start. All right, question number 2 you need to be asking whenever building your truck, and that we want to ask you as well, is what do you expect out of your ride quality? Let's be real, not all trucks and not all suspension are created equal. If you are running a high trim truck, such as a ZR2, a high country that comes with a top tier stock suspension, such as this truck, we have a ReadyLift 4-inch lift kit with rough country upper control arms. Knowing your ride quality and what your truck comes with will help us determine what to do. This truck here has Multimatic suspension, so we have to go with strut spacers in order to keep a good ride quality. But if you're on a budget and you want to try and stay a little bit cheaper, a strut spacer is a great option. That's going to help us determine how we benefit your truck, how we make sure that it has the best quality, such as strut spacers designed to work with them. Or if you're in maybe a base model, maybe you're driving a Bronco, we might want to upgrade to such as Rough Country's M1 reservoir shocks to give you the best ride quality. Are you looking for look or function? This is going to help us determine how important your ride quality is as you're looking to build your truck. If you're planning on doing off-roading, or maybe you have a truck that is very high tier, let's be real, we're driving computers these days, you need to know if your ride quality is going to be most important. We say do the best that you can go with within your budget. We'll get to that later. But here at Krietz Customs, we offer a few different varieties such as BDS, Cognito, Rough Country, Zone Off-Road, and more to fit your build needs. These are all things you need to consider when lifting your truck. Question number 3 you need to be asking when building your truck is, are you prioritizing looks over function or function over looks? Whenever it comes to building your truck, you need to know how you're planning on doing this. This goes for Jeeps and Broncos as well. If you're planning on off-roading, make sure you have a good aggressive stance to it. Nobody wants to skip leg day. Come here, look at me. Don't skip leg day. Nobody wants to have a truck or a Jeep where the wheels are tucked way under the wheel wells, but it's sitting super high. Guys, listen to me. You need to be asking, what are you prioritizing? This is going to help us also know what type of shocks we're going with, as well as what type of tires you want to pick. Is this a pavement princess, or is this something built for off-road? Knowing these questions are going to help you to figure out how high we're going, how wide we're going, and then what type of tires we're slapping on your vehicle. All right, the 4th question, guys, that you need to be asking when you're building your truck, whether it's with us or on your own, is, what's your budget? And let's be realistic about it. Not all of us have American Force money. I'm a big fan of them. I love a nice 26-inch forged wheel, polished, but let's be honest, we can't always afford it. Right here is a much more friendly option, a TIS wheel. Here at Krietz Customs, we offer a variety of brands such as Fuel, TIS, Hostile, and all sorts of options, including our forged brands such as KG1, American Force, and JTX. You need to be asking yourself, how much are you willing to spend? If you're on a tighter budget, and we've all been there, then we do have options for that. But what we don't want to do is half build our trucks, right? We don't want to go spend all of our money on American Force wheels, but then you can't lift it. Then the wheels are sitting in your garage, and by the time you have the money for it, you've actually bought a new truck and you're just sitting on wheels for an old vehicle. Here at Krietz Customs, though, we do offer financing with a variety of options, whether that's in our e-commerce division or it's actually with our sales representatives. So if you are interested in our build now, pay later system, definitely give us a call. We want to get you hooked up so you can get the build you want, but be realistic. Throw out a number to yourself. If I throw out $7,000, then you can tell yourself very easily, is that what you want to spend or not? Here at Krietz Customs, we do like to work with you though, and your budget. So let us know when you do work with us, and we want to build your truck. All right, look, I know I said 4 questions, but I do have a bonus tip, and this one's not really a question. Well, kind of is. What are you planning on doing with your stock wheels and tires? That may not be the first thought you think of when you're building a truck, but this is an excellent way to put money back in your account if you do want to spend a little bit more. We all don't need our stock wheels and tires. So a great way to actually offset the cost of your build, and this is something I've personally done, is take your stock wheels and tires and sell them on Marketplace. People all the time have something that's maybe a lower trim. If we took Fords, for example, maybe they have an XL or an XLT, and they want your Lariat or your Platinum wheels. This is a great way to then not have to spend all the money up front and to benefit yourself in the long run so you can actually enjoy what you've built. All All right, guys, now you know our secret to how we get our trucks dialed in every time. Now, if you are looking to get your truck built with us, please feel free to call in to work with one of our aftermarket representatives. We'd love to both help you build your quote, build your truck, and then see you driving, smiling, and happy. And if you are farther away and you're outside of our region and you'd like to order our parts, check us out on KrietzCustoms.com. We actually have a full e-commerce division where you can order all parts and accessories needed for your build. In the meantime though, make sure you like, subscribe, hit the bell for any future notifications so you can stay up to date. Go ahead, drop a comment as well to let us know what you thought of this video and any future content you want. Thanks for watching, guys. Dare to be different. Okay, Krietz Custom family, don't forget about our end of the year giveaway. This year, we are trying to hit 50,000 subscribers on YouTube. Our giveaway rules are pretty simple. Subscribe, like, comment, and it allows us to be able to notify you if you are the winner, but we do have to hit 50,000. You may be wondering what we're giving away. We're giving away a set of 22 by 12 inch fuel wheels and up to 35 inch tires. So if you want a new set of shoes and wheels for your ride, definitely make sure you subscribe and help us reach our goal so you can be riding in style. See you soon.